Good morning. I am Tammaya Shetty, Assistant Professor in the Department of Chemistry, Vijaya College, Mulki, Mangalore University. My topic is Domestic Chemicals, Unit 2, First BSc Elective, Session 19. Contents: lipstick, sun protection lotion, eye shadow, and eyebrow pencils. Learning objective: to study the preparation, composition, and applications of lipstick, eye shadow, and eyebrow pencils. Session outcome: student will learn composition of lipstick, eye shadow, and eyebrow pencils. Lipstick. Lipstick is a colored substance which is cosmetic in the form of a solid stick which people put on their lips. Lipstick, the name originally applied to the baton, meaning stick of material within a tubular container. Ingredients or chemical composition of lipstick. Lipstick contain wax, oils, antioxidants, and emollients. Apparently, more than 50% of lipsticks in the United States containing pig fat. Other ingredients included fish scales, synthetic pearl particles, olive oil, mineral oil, cocoa butter, lanolin, and petrolatum. Preparation of lipsticks. Lipstick is made from grinding and heating ingredients. Then heated wax are added to the mix of for texture. Oils and lanolin are added for specific formula requirements. Afterwards, the hot liquid is poured into a metal mold. The mixture is then chilled. Once they have hardened, they are heated in flame for half a second to create a shiny finish and remove imperfections. Method of preparation: take castor oil, lanolin alcohol, oleyl alcohol in a beaker containing dyes and pigments. Heat the above mixture to 65 degrees Celsius. In another beaker B, take remaining ingredients. Heat to 65 degrees Celsius. Then add the content of the beaker A to B, vigorously stirring. Then this solution is added to molds. Sun protection lotions and creams. Sun protection lotion and cream is a lotion, spray, gel, gel foam, stick or other topical product that absorb or reflect some of the sun's ultraviolet radiation, thus helps protection against sunburn. Diligent use sunscreen can also help to slow or temporarily prevent the development of wrinkles, dark spots, and sagging skin. Depending on the mode of action, sunscreens can be classified into physical sunscreens or chemical sunscreens. Early civilizations used a variety of plant products to help protect the skin from sun damage. Olive oil, extract of rice, jasmine, or yellow powder, etc., are still used in skincare today. A few active sunscreen ingredients are titanium dioxide, zinc oxide, p-amino benzoic acid, dioxybenzone, benzophenone 8, avobenzene, homosalate, homomethyl salicylate (HMS), and octyl salicylate. Eyeshadow and eyebrow pencils. Eyeshadow is a cosmetic that is applied on eye area, the eyelids, and under the eyes. It is commonly used to make the wearer's eyes stand out or look more attractive. Shadow comes in many different colors and textures. It is usually made from a powder and mica, but can also be found in liquid, pencil, cream, mousse form. Chemicals used in eyeshadow: mica, zinc stearate, cerisite, magnesium stearate, talc, silicone, binders, colorants, and preservatives. Eyebrow pencils, creams, waxes, gels, and powders are used to color, fill in, and define the brows. Thank you, one and all.